Kumana na gututhuka kwa murimu wa COVID-19 ruhonge rwa ugendi rukoretwo hatikaini makiria kurumirira mikanire ikoretwo ikigathikwo ni thirikari hari kuhitana na homa ino ya COVID-19 imwe yayo ari andu kwaga kuingira kana kuma kaunti-ini imwe. Ugendi thiini wa gitaru kia Rift Valley ukoretwo thingithitio makiria kumana na kwambatira gwa ikiro cia mai maria-ini maria mari gitaru-ini giki rimwe ria iria riri ari iria ria Naikuru.
Before COVID era, we used to get in this park an average of about 6 million on a good day, 6 million shillings. Now they're getting about 200,000 and sometimes it drops as low as 50. Imagine that, from 6 million to 50k.
Na kiria gikoretwo kiri kironda kuri muingi uria urigiceirie iria riri undu umwe na muhinga umwe kuri nyoni muthemba wa flamingos. Riu thirikari unyitaniri na anyititemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi na mikawa ni marikitie kurugurio tungata wa gukuo ni tutaru iria-ini ria Naikuru.
The first time ever we are putting a boat on that lake, and this definitely is a plus for Nakuru country and its future economic prospects. We wish also, as a ministry, to congratulate the Mheshimiwa Governor and his government for providing the conducive environment for such businesses to be set up and to thrive.
Ndumiriri-ini yake na iria rathomirwo ni mutabariri wa mihango ministry-ini ya ugendi Joseph Boinnet, minister wa ugendi na Balala ni atugiritie ikinya riri akiuga ni njira imwe ya gukuria ugendi guku bururi-ini.
As a matter of fact, all other counties to identify some unique and bespoke products that can be marketed to visitors, both local and even foreign. And I want to underscore one very important thing, that besides we in the ministry and the counties doing their respective bits, we would also wish to encourage our people that they need also to travel around and tour our country to see how diverse our country is.
Na riri twerekeire mabura-ini ma thiguku, Boinnet ni athingatithitie muingi gukungwira mabura maya magithingatithia mawatho ma ministry ugima wa mwiri hari kuhitana na homa ya COVID-19.
So we need to approach the way we act in a very, very responsible manner, because we know devastation that it has visited on individuals, on families, and on communities, and on our country.
Mwena-ini wake Gavana Kinyajui ni aranire wirutiri wa thirikari yake hari gukuria ugendi mwena uyu wa Naikuru.
We need to do much more than we have currently done to ensure that this sector and the facilities therein are well developed to help us uplift our tourism potential.
Na thenge ya kiguni kia mai maya kuri utungata wa tutaru, Gavana Kinyajui ni oritie thirikari kuririkana aria mathamitio ni mai maya.
To ask the government to come up with a relocation plan for those families, for them to be given alternative places where they can reside.
Girifotera Kameme TV ritura kone Wajiro wa Foro.